Hey fam, let's get moving with this 5-minute full body stretch and mobility routine. We'll focus on building strength and flexibility while releasing tension in the back, core and shoulders. Whether you're waking up or just need a quick break during the day, this flow will leave you feeling strong, stretched and energized. Ready? Let's hit the mat fam. Let's begin with bird dog. Start on all fours with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring your elbow and knee toward each other under your body. Inhale to extend again, keeping your core tight and back flat. Continue this movement, flowing smoothly for 50 seconds. As you flow, focus on control. Move with intention and keep your balance. Each extension creates length in your body, and each contraction engages your core. Keep breathing and stay steady. Now switch sides. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg back. Inhale to lengthen and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together under your body. Again, control the movement, keeping your core strong and your back flat. We're building strength and stability here, and this move helps balance out your body while targeting the core and lower back. Keep flowing through this for 50 seconds. Each breath fuels your movement. Inhale as you reach. Exhale as you engage your core. You've got this, fam. Next, we're moving into child's pose to cobra flow. This is obviously one of my favorites too, helps with the shoulders. Sit your hips back towards your heels in child's pose, stretching your arms forward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, flow forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the ground, lift your chest, and press through your palms. Inhale deeply as you open up your chest, and exhale as you sink back into child's pose. Continue this flow for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Each time you move into cobra, focus on expanding your chest and lengthening your spine. As you return to child's pose, feel your hips and lower back release. This continuous flow improves flexibility in the spine and opens up the chest while releasing tension in the back. Now let's flow from downward dog into cobra stretch. From all fours, lift your hips into downward dog, pressing your heels toward the floor. Feel that deep stretch in your hamstrings and calves. Now shift forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the ground and lift your chest as you open up through the front of your body. Flow smoothly between these two poses for about 1 minute and 15 seconds. Downward dog stretches your legs and spine, while cobra opens your chest and strengthens your back. With each transition, focus on lengthening your body, keeping the flow relaxed and fluid. Finally, we're going to finish with some gentle cat-cow movements. On all fours, inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone for cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Flow between these two movements for about 25 seconds, feeling that stretch through your spine. Let your breath guide you. Inhale to open up, exhale to release tension. This stretch is perfect for increasing flexibility in the spine and resetting your body after a long day of sitting or standing. Fam, in just 5 minutes, you've stretched, strengthened, and moved your body in all the right ways. This routine not only helps you build stability and flexibility, but it also boosts energy and reduces tension. Save this flow for whenever you need a quick reset and keep your body feeling strong and ready for anything. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's keep moving and stay energized, fam. Let's go! Catch you next video. Peace.